Let me run you guys through on how I prepare this delicious looking porridge yam. So hi guys, let's make lunch for my kids. So this is one of the yam my husband bought. I forgot to ask him the amount about this yam, but I must say the yam is a very good yam by looking at it. This is oil bean I brought out from my freezer. So I'm going to rinse it before I use it. Today I want to make use of my old blender. So I'll be using this one to blend my dry ingredient, but I'm not using this one. Like this blender you guys are seeing here, seeing how some of my children weird, right? It was just the truth. Like this one I'm using is just like the top part. There's not much dirt in it. Let me go and blend it, okay? Let's wash my oil bean. Opaka. Yeah, that was a thorough wash, guys. Here is my palm oil. This is a leftover stew brought out from my freezer. Also, I want to add into the yam oil bean known as opaka in my dialect. And here is, you guys saw what I blended here: pepper, crayfish, maggi, and yeah, onion, exactly. And I've added salt. You guys also saw when I added my salt. So let's add up the ingredients. So I want to go in with the oil bean. Go in with all the blends. I wanted to fall since So guys, this is the final look of my porridge yam. Okay guys, this is the end of our porridge yam cooking. I hope that you enjoy watching the video. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to like, comment, share my video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.